Vidly Review. Google Game Changer. Unlock Google Page 1 rankings. How to rank videos on Google with 3 only clicks. 3 click to all the targeted traffic you want. Tools like these are unfair. The ultimate YouTube super weapon. An unfair ranking advantage. Google's kid brother. What's the most powerful marketing medium on the internet? If you didn't say video, you're just plain wrong. Sorry to be so blunt, but 70% of marketers are already using YouTube to promote their products and services. But you can have an unfair advantage over all these marketers. Click the description to learn more. A few years ago, ranking videos on the first page of Google and YouTube was easy as 1, 2, 3. Nowadays, with fierce competition and every marketer and their mom uploading thousands of videos each day, it's hard to get your video on the first page of Google or YouTube. What if I would tell you there is a much easier way? What if I told you that I found a backdoor strategy to get instant top video rankings and get as much targeted free traffic as you want? And you won't have to learn a thing about SEO. You don't have to know a damn thing about backlinks. And you don't need a huge budget to take advantage of this. Find out how you can profit from this too and get tons of targeted traffic, starting right now. We tried and tested every SEO tactic in the book, but nothing beats ranking YouTube videos. Because YouTube is Google's baby brother. Do you know what that means? It means it has an unfair advantage over each and every other website or platform out there. Google lets its baby brother skip the line and gets instant indexing and higher rankings. Maybe you're thinking, okay, that's cool, but I want more traffic to my websites too. The only software that is able to find untapped buyer keywords and get you top rankings with the click of 3 buttons. Step 1. Enter a generic search term. Step 2. Find unexploited long-tail search terms that get searches and traffic. Step 3. Vidly creates superbly SEO-optimized titles, tags and description to simply copy and paste for your video. We are completely confident that Vidly is exactly what you need in order to find untapped keywords and get top rankings for your business. In fact, we are so confident Vidly will work for you too. We are prepared to let you try it risk-free for 30 days. In other words, you are taking on zero risks when you invest in Vidly right now.